Hey everyone, scrapping blogs is very easy nowadays through make.com. I've created some easy automations to scrap different blogs. So by using this technique, you can scrap any blog. I have a lot of automations, but I am going to show you first one, that is scrapping globnewsfire.com. So we are using here HTTP module and we are putting the link. We are using the get method, and then it is running on daily basis. We can run it instantly, but I would recommend like on everyday basis, or we can set it at like 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. But yeah, it will be running to scrap all the links, and then we have a text parser here that is getting the specific blogs link on that site. So there could be a so like Globes Newswire is a blog site, but there could be many blogs or articles published on daily basis. So it will scrap all the blogs from that site, and then it will check into the Google Sheet, like if it is if the link that is scrapped is available in the Google Sheet or not. If it is not available, it will proceed to add a row. So we have a sheet here. Here we are posting the links. So just for not duplication, we added this filter that will keep working. So I have a past run here where we are running this. So the data is like HTML format for whole the site. So that's why we use the text parser to get the news article links. So it is scraping the link without the website. So we will add the website and then this link in add a row. But yeah, it will search it in the Google Sheet. So the links is, if it is not available there, it will go and add a row. But if it is available there, this filter will not allow it to pass and add a row. So yeah, this is very easy automation. If you need any help regarding this or any automation for you, please contact me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail. Thank you.